Welcome to the Tombow marker tips, tricks, and techniques for beginners class. In this class, we're going to be talking about Tombow markers, their pros and cons, the appropriate inks to use with them, some basic coloring techniques, which in all honesty is not my favorite way to use the markers. But because of their dye-based properties, there's some super fun techniques that you can do with them, and this is a composition of all of my favorites. This class comes with a supply list that is broken down between the different techniques that are taught and the supplies that are used with each one. There are also links to each one of those supplies where you can source them to save you time. I hope you play and create the techniques while I'm teaching them and have fun watching how the inks flow and move. You can feel free to use the exact same colors as I'm using as they're listed on the supply list, or choose your own. Have fun, be creative. I haven't tested and compared them, but these techniques will likely work with other dye-based markers as well. Let's go play.